Google Gemini has introduced a new trend with festival special new Garba photo editing, and many creators have started exploring it. In this video, I'll show you how to create an amazing AI-generated video using this trend. Make sure to watch the video till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I have provided some prompts in description. Check it out. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. We're about to reach 2,000 subscribers very soon. I upload videos daily, so stay connected. Now, let's get started with today's video. Now open Google Gemini application. Here select image option and upload one photo past the prompt. I was given some prompts in description within few seconds. The image will be generated. Thanks for watching.